Now we can also think about exceptionally healthy people. What about Hatha Yoga people, or those people whom Dr. Buteyko and his colleagues train, so that they get 3 minutes of oxygen after exhalation, 3 minutes breath holding time with no stress. If you learn how to breathe using this breathing pattern with very light breathing and 3 minutes breath holding time, you would sleep only 2 hours. How it is possible? Well, if these people have very light, easy breathing, the CO2 is even higher. That means we are very focused on reality. There are no any disturbances in the brain. In addition to that, we are very relaxed. So muscles are relaxed, we are relaxed during the day. No muscular tension are present. Brain is focused on reality. There are no extra thoughts to process. So it makes sense that we need very little sleep. Now we can think about evolution. What about sleep of our predecessors living many thousand years ago? Well, if we had 2 hours of sleep, probably we would get much higher chances to survive. Why? Take a modern man, 7.5 hours of sleep, and put him in wild conditions, in jungles or some forest. This person would sleep for 7.5 hours. One day, another, for weeks, for months, while snoring, coughing, turning from one side to another. It would be noisy, loud sleep. And there are hungry predators around. So we can expect it would be difficult to survive for this person in wild conditions. Makes sense and to suggest that the rate of diseases in the past was much less because of light, easy breathing pattern. A person who has very high breath holding time, let's say 2-3 minutes, this person can digest the same meal in about 1 hour only. Why? Because high breath holding time means higher CO2 concentration, better blood supply and better oxygenation of digestive organs. Hence they can do the job faster. Old Hatha Yoga book wrote that if Hatha Yoga master get even higher breath holding time, let's say 5, 6, 7 minutes, these people can go on with no food, no water, no sleep for about 3-4 days. A human being for 3-4 days with no water, no food, no sleep, and these people will still be having 5 minutes breath holding time with very light, easy. So that means they would still be energetic. They would be just hungry, sleepy, thirsty, but they would be able to survive, to fight for their life. And I believe that was the design, how nature created human beings.